The Armtrac 400 mine-clearing vehicle, known as the Advanced Bomb Diffuser, is now used by Ukrainian rescue teams to clear mines and other explosives which have been left by Russian forces in the northeastern region of Ukraine. Armtrac 400 mine-clearing equipment, actively used in territories no longer occupied by Russian troops, which are still contaminated with mines to clear all the explosives that are still active, since it is very dangerous for Ukrainian citizens. The Armtrac 400, used by the Ukrainian rescue team, is known to be funded through the United 24 initiative. The funds that had been raised bought the vehicle for $491,808 for the cleanup of the now occupied Kharkiv region. The Armtrac 400 mine-clearing vehicle, developed and manufactured by the Armtrac company, based in Cambridge, England. Business Insider reported that Ukraine first expressed interest in this vehicle in April. According to information, before arriving in Ukraine, the advanced mine-clearing vehicle Armtrac 400, first delivered to Poland in September and transferred to Ukraine early in October. Please note, the Armtrac 400 is the largest and most powerful of its variants, weighing 23 tons with a hydraulically driven 3-meter tiller rotor, capable of cleaning 2,400 square meters per hour, depending on the terrain and operator experience. With an effective processing depth of 55 centimeters, the Armtrac 400 is designed to destroy and withstand 10 kilograms of anti-tank mines. The vehicle is fully controlled remotely up to 800 meters. Then, the operator operates staying at a safe distance to maintain 100% control of all machine functions. As an alternative tool, thanks to a fully shielded, soundproofed and air-conditioned cabin that can hold the NATO ball at close range, operators can maintain a detailed bird's-eye view of mine operation, with complete comfort and safety. With optional additions, the Armtrac 400 can add a unique scissor lift cab mount, so shocks can be absorbed and ride heights adjustable for the best look. Armtrac 400 is also installed telescopic boom, so it is easy to clear mines and UXO in difficult locations, such as by rivers and on ramps, which do not move at all. This is a unique feature for Armtrac tracking machines. According to United 24, the Armtrac 400 armor plate that protects the inside of the vehicle is 10 mm thick, and the windows are made of 40 mm thick armored glass, thus making this vehicle very safe to work. That is why the Ukrainian rescue team urgently needs this vehicle, to quickly solve the task of clearing the mines and explosives that have been abandoned, since it is very dangerous for the local population. In addition, the most important part of the rescue team is security when clearing from thousands of mines, which is carried out remotely 800 meters. Ukrainian rescue teams daily clear hundreds of mines and abandoned explosives. This Armtrac 400 vehicle is almost the same as the Slovak Bozina, the worm auger, mine comb. In front of the vehicle mows the grass, and buries this tool 50 centimeters deep into the ground, which can extract the mines and UXO. Various toolkits are available for cleaning planted explosives. The control panel is quite simple, 2 joysticks for vehicles and for chained rotors. At the time of moving, the rotor grinds mines without triggering them. While it remains a proven force in mine clearance, IED, and UXO, the Armtrac 400 will accommodate any standard construction tool such as buckets, dozer blades, forklift tines, or power grabs using industry-standard quick hitch couplings. According to information from Suspiln, this advanced Armtrac 400 mine defusing vehicle has withstood and secured more than 6,000 Russian-owned anti-tank mine explosions, and is still in good condition. The backhoe excavator can be mounted on the rear of the machine of the Armtrac 400 vehicle when a demoning toolkit is installed at the front. Alternatively, a backhoe attached to the boom arm is always used as an auxiliary tool, and reaches far with a standard scraper bucket or grapple attached, to extract hard-to-reach UXO. The boom arm will lift up to 4 tons, which makes Armtrac 400 a very strong workhorse. For various leveling, loading, lifting and construction roles. It gave him a second life after his cleaning role.